Who put me here?
Hey, my lovely boys and girls. How are you doing today? I hope you enjoyed that adventurous video that you just watched of Mischievous in Colorado. That's from a few years ago, and some of it's a little lower quality than I prefer, but that hike literally had a vertical drop of probably, I don't know, 500 feet. And we found ourselves at this place where it was either go across or go all the way down, and we had hiked for hours just to get to this other side. Anyway, it was a crazy adventure and a lot of fun to say that I did it. And but I'm about to embark on another crazy adventure and fun time, and I'm going to Costa Rica. Woohoo! Anyway, I just wanted to say, for those of you who subscribe to my videos and post comments, I'm going to give a prize away. And the prize this week, I don't have a photo of it because it's a compilation of really exclusive skincare products and cosmetics that I have accumulated from going to very exclusive Hollywood events and getting them in gift bags, and I want to share them with you. It's going to be a few $100s worth of products, and very great named products. I can't divulge them here because they're not paying me for an ad. But anyway, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Love you, people. Mwah!